Okay. Our class got disconnected, but anyways, Mariam, I ask you to unmute yourself. Mariam, tell me the first group of pronoun.
The first,
Tell me the first group of pronoun.
I can't hear you properly.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Tell
It's
me the
better.
first group of pronoun.
The first group.
Yes, I told you there are two groups of pronoun. Tell me the first group of pronoun.
That time I didn't hear you.
Oh, that is a nice excuse, by the way.
That's not an excuse. I didn't hear
If
you.
you didn't hear me at that time, why you didn't stop me and ask me again? If you didn't hear me, why didn't you stop me and ask me that, teacher, what are you saying? I'm not able to hear you. You should stop me there, na? Who will tell me the first group of pronoun? Yes, Ali. I ask you to unmute yourself. Yes, Ali.
I, you, we, they.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Now, who will tell me the second group of pronoun? Sabika, can you try? Dua, open your camera. Sabika, I ask you to unmute yourself. Sabika, I ask you to unmute yourself. There is a option on your screen appear. Yes. Yes, Sabika, tell me the second group of pronoun which I told you. Sabika, I ask you. You are supposed to tell me that. Don't look up. Look at the screen. Look at the screen, Sabika. Look at the screen.
Yes.
Yes, tell me the second group of pronoun. Don't know? Last time I am telling you, everybody lower your hand. Lower your hand. Last time I am again telling you there are two groups of pronoun. The first one is, Mariam, can you hear me now? The first group is I, you, we, they. The second group is he, she, it. Understand? The first group is I, you, we, they. The second group is he, she, it. Done? Understand? With which word we use I? With which word we use only I? Yes, Kabir.
I am a boy.
Yes, we use am, A-M-M with an I. Okay? We use am with an I. And with which words we use are, A-R-E-R. With which words we use are? Yes. Yes, Mariam.
We.
It's okay. Kabir, mute your mic. You have already answered me. Yes, Mariam. I ask you to unmute yourself. Yes, Mariam.
Yes. It is we. We are.
I am asking with which words. I'm not asking about a single word. We use with multiple words are. Use are with multiple words. Tell me all three of them.
All three. I. I am.
No, we use am with I. We only use am with I. Okay. and we use are with you, we, they. We use ARER with you. Repeat with me. You,
You,
we,
we,
they.
you, we, they, I. I,
Yes.
you, we, they.
No. आई के साथ हम सिर्फ एम यूज करते हैं. आई के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? एम
You,
यूज करते
we.
हैं. मरियम, listen to me
This is
carefully.
group one. This is group one.
Look at your screen. Look at your screen. Look at your screen. Here is a whiteboard. I tell you. First group of pronoun I, you,
I, you, we, they.
okay? This is the
And
first group
second-
of pronoun. Now,
And then the second group is he, she, it.
exactly. Second group of
He, she, it. I think.
pronoun he,
He,
she, it. Okay? आई के साथ सिर्फ एम यूज होता है. आई के साथ सिर्फ क्या यूज होता है मरियम?
Ham.
यू, वी, दे के साथ क्या यूज होता है? आर.
R.
यू, वी और दे के साथ आर यूज होता है. आई के साथ ओनली एम यूज होता है. डू यू गेट दिस? आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? Understand? Is it clear to everyone? Zara, are you getting my point? Zayan, Kanza, Hunain, everybody clear? Kissa clear? अब मैं आपको बता रही हूँ what are first person singular and what are second person singular. Look here. I ask you to unmute yourself. Who is Samsung Galaxy S7? Kindly better rename yourself with your real names. Mariam, mute your mic. What's your name, dear?
My
Yes.
name is Arisha.
Okay, Arisha. Arisha, I gave you one example. Now you will tell me which is the first person singular, which is the second person singular, and which is the third person singular. Okay? Arisha, open your camera. Yes. So the situation is me and Mariam is talking Okay. Me. Where are you going, Arisha?
I am sitting in that room where my net will work nice.
Okay. So the situation is me and Mariam is talking. Okay. Me and Mariam is talking. Suddenly, she came and started talking with us. Okay. Me and Mariam, or I will say, me and you are talking. Suddenly, she came and started talking between us. Now tell me, which is the first person singular? Yes, Arisha. Okay, let me explain you. It's okay if you don't know. That's a very new topic. It's okay. Mute yourself. The situation is I and Mariam are talking, or I will say, yes, me and you are talking. Suddenly, she came and started talking between us. So, the first person is me. The first person is me. मैं खुद, me is the first person. Me is the first person. Second person singular is you. Yes, Hassan, I know that you know that. You want to ask something or tell something. You don't want to ask anything? Then stop for a while. You is the second person singular. You is the second person singular. ठीक है? और जब हम बात करते हैं थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर की, suddenly she came and started talking between us. So the third person singular must be she. Third person singular is she. Do you all get this? Mariam, understand? Sabika, understand? Daniel, understand? Aris, Hunain, understand? If you all understand, clap your hands. Everybody, those who understand, clap your hands, and those who don't, do not. Hunain, relax. Zara, understand? You don't understand? Okay. Zara, मैं दोबारा से explain कर रही हूँ. देखो, मैं और तुम अगर बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? If me and you are talking, हम दोनों बात कर रहे हैं ना? अगर हमारे between वफा आ जाती है, ठीक है? If wafa will come between us, तो first person जो बात कर रहे थे, first person कौन हुई? मैं हुई, क्योंकि मैं बात कर रही थी, right? Second person कौन हुआ जिससे मैं बात कर रही थी? वो तुम हुई. Understand? समझ आ रहा है? Understand? The first person who is talking is me. The second person who is listening to me is you. हमारे बिटवीन में थर्ड पर्सन कौन आया? वफा. तो who is the third person singular? Wafa. Who is the third person singular? And we can use she instead of wafa. We can use she instead of wafa. That's why it is called pronoun. That's why it's called pronoun. Do you get this now? Understand? Clap. If you understand, clap. Where is Anaya? Anaya, I cannot see you. Inaya, why your camera is not open? Kabir and Dua, your cameras are not open. Dua, I won't tell you so many times to open your camera, open your camera. You need to open your camera throughout the class. Inaya, do you understand? Inaya, you want to ask something? Yes, Inaya, I ask you to unmute yourself. Yes.
Miss, I can't listen you.
Can you hear me now?
No, Miss, I can't listen you.
Inaya, there must be some problem at your end. Kindly try to take
I
off
don't
your
know
head.
what's the problem. Can't
Inaya,
listen you.
Inaya, can you hear me now?
I can't listen you.
Inaya, go to some elder one and tell that you are not able to listen to me. They will check what is the problem at your end.
Hello, Miss. Hello.
Yes, Inaya.
Hello.
Inaya, I can listen you, but you cannot listen to me. I
Can't
don't know
listen to
why.
you, Miss.
Okay. First person singular, second person singular, and third person singular is clear, I guess. ठीक है? अब जो हमारा सेकेंड ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोनाउन है, ये जो हमारा सेकेंड ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोनाउन है, इट इज थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. ठीक है? सेकेंड ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोनाउन जो है हमारा, इट इज थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. अंडरस्टैंड? अंडरस्टैंड? आई के साथ हम हमेशा एन यूज करते हैं. यू, वी और दे के साथ हम हमेशा आर यूज करते हैं. ठीक है? उसके अलावा इन 4 वर्ड्स के साथ देखें, हैव, डू और वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म इन चारों के साथ यूज होती है. ठीक है? हैव, डू और वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म इन चारों के साथ यूज होती है. अंडरस्टैंड? अंडरस्टैंड? एग्जाम्पल देती हूं मैं आपको. आई हैव अ बुक. You have a book. We have a book. They have a book. I do my homework. You do homework. We do homework. They do homework. Clear? Verb की first form. I play. You play. We play. They play. Clear? Is it clear? Kissa, is it clear? Zara, is it clear? Mariam, is it clear? Have, do और verb की first form कौन से वाले pronoun के ग्रुप के साथ यूज होती है? First group of pronoun. Have, do और verb की first form pronoun के first group के साथ यूज होती है. कौन से वाले ग्रुप के साथ यूज होती है? Inaya, can you hear me now? You still cannot hear me? Then how do you know what I'm saying? Inaya, I ask you to unmute yourself. Yes, Inaya?
मिस जो आपने मुझे एक्सप्लेन किया है वो मुझे सुनाई ही नहीं दे रहा था.
अब सुनाई दे रहा है?
यस मिस.
इनाया,
मिस
मैंने
लेकिन आपने लेकिन
यस इनाया,
वो सब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही.
ओके इनाया, मैं अब दोबारा से आपको करी. वेरी गुड किस्सा, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. Whatever I write on the board, if you want, you can write it with in your copies as well. If you want to write that, you can write it. See how Kissa
Yes,
write it?
I'm
Very
writing.
nice, Kissa. Very nice, amazing. Kissa, U के साथ भी R use होता है. U के साथ भी आपने U की तरफ line draw नहीं की है. We have only 10 minutes left. मैं आपको एक review दे रही हूँ just because Inaya didn't listen to me और Inaya का थोड़ा सा problem था, तो मैं Inaya की वजह से आपको एक overview review दे रही हूँ. आज का हम lecture यहीं तक रखेंगे. Then from Monday onwards we will move forward. Okay? मैं आपको एक overview दे रही हूँ. सबसे पहले we discussed how many tenses are there. There are 3 tenses. How many tenses are there? There are 3 tenses. The first one is present, जो अभी हो रहा है. ठीक है? The second one is past, जो हो चुका. The third one is future, जो होने वाला है. जिस तरीके से केक की सेवरल टाइप्स होती हैं, बिल्कुल इसी तरीके से आपके टेंसेस की भी सेवरल टाइप्स होती हैं, जिसमें हम अभी बात कर रहे हैं सिंपल टेंसेस की. हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं?
सिंपल टेंसेस.
सिंपल टेंसेस की. सिंपल टेंसेस की जब हम बात करते हैं, सिंपल टेंसेस में फोर चीजों का, 4 पॉइंट्स का वी हैव टू केयर अबाउट 4 मेजर पॉइंट्स, व्हिच इज वर्ड फैक्ट,
वर्ड फैक्ट,
पर्सनल फैक्ट.
मिस
Yes, Inaya.
in my register.
World fact, personal fact. The third is habit or routine. The fourth is senses and mental action. Okay? अब हम आते हैं कि हम किस वर्ड के साथ कौन सी चीज यूज करते हैं. When we are talking about present tense, when we are talking about present tense, there are 2 groups of pronoun. There are how many groups of pronoun? 2 groups of pronoun, which is going to be used in every tense. These 2 groups of pronoun are going to be used in every tense, whether you are talking about a present tense or a past tense or a future tense. These 2 groups are going to be used in each and every tenses. Okay? So, we have 2 groups of pronoun. The first group consists of I, you, we, they. All right? The second group of pronoun consists of he, she, it. Clear?
Here.
अब we are talking about present. देखें, जिस तरीके से हम जब बोलते हैं मैं स्कूल जा रही हूँ, मैं स्कूल गई थी, मैं स्कूल जाऊंगी, आपको किस वर्ड से ये आइडिया होता है कि दिस सेंटेंस इज प्रेजेंट और दिस सेंटेंस इज पास्ट और दिस सेंटेंस इज फ्यूचर. मैं स्कूल जा रही हूँ, the word हूँ which comes at the end of the sentence tells you that this thing is happening in present. Am I right? हम क्लास ले रहे हैं, हम क्लास ले रहे हैं. The word हैं is telling us that we are talking about a present. हम क्लास ले रहे थे. The word थे is telling us that we are talking about past. हम क्लास लेंगे. The word लेंगे is telling us that we are talking about future. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
ठीक है. अब इसी तरीके से आपके प्रेजेंट में आपके पास होता है वर्ड एम, वर्ड होता है आर, वर्ड होता है हैव, डू, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म. एम का वर्ड, एम का वर्ड हम हमेशा आई के साथ यूज करते हैं. किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? वी हैव ओनली 10 मिनट्स लेफ्ट. आई, एम का वर्ड हम हमेशा आई के साथ यूज करते हैं. The word are, the word are is used with you, we, they. The word are is used with you, we, they. Understand? Understand, Anaya?
Yes.
Okay, there are 3-person singulars. First person singular, second person singular, and the third person singular. मैं आपको सिचुएशन देती हूँ. Me and you are talking. मैं और आप बात कर रहे हैं. Suddenly she came between us. Suddenly she comes between us. अब देखो, me is the first person क्योंकि मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, तो me is the first person. Who is listening to me? You are listening to me. So you is the second person. You is the second person. ठीक है? Who came between us? She came between us. So she is the third person. She is the third person. तो जो आपका second group of pronoun है, he, she, and it, they all are third person singulars. They all are third person singulars. Now, with which words we use have, do, in verb first form? All of the member of first group of pronoun, all the members of first group of pronouns used with them. I, you, we, they, चारों words इनके साथ use होते हैं. You can see, I have a book, you have a book, we have a book, they have a book. Clear? Clear? Second one, I do my homework, you do my homework, we do homework, they do homework. Clear? Now come on third. I play, verb की first form use हो रही है play. I play, you play, we play, they play. Clear? Clear? If it is clear to all of you, clap your hands. If it is clear to all of you, Mariam, I'm asking you again and again because you were the one who didn't understand yesterday. You found it difficult. Are you getting all of these things? Now it is easy. I told you guys that when you will learn this, it will become easy gradually. Okay? Mariam, you want to say something? That's it. That's it. अभी आज के लिए for today, we are ending our lecture here. Kindly try to see that video on YouTube so that your lecture will get revised. Yes, Jafar, you want to ask something? Jafar, I asked you to unmute yourself.
Teacher, we can write in copies.
Yes, Jafar, we have 5 minutes left. If you can write this, you can.
Okay.
Yes, yes, Mariam. Yes, Mariam. Yes, Mariam.
Miss, is there more lectures because it's about to be 4 o'clock?
No, that's it. That's it. You guys don't have maths class today because I took that block as well. So you guys don't have maths class today. Okay?
We only have two.
Yes, you now you have, I guess, which is the last block.
Two.
Yes, so now you only have to attend Urdu.
Okay, bye.
Okay,
It was
everyone.
fun.
Our class is now end. See you guys on Monday. I'll post 2 videos on your homework section. Kindly try to see that videos vigilantly, because on Monday we will moving forward towards our tenses. If you didn't watch those videos, you will found difficulties. Okay? All right, everyone. Anybody want to ask anything? No? Yes, Jafar. Yes, Jafar.
Yeah, what about the test? Quiz?
Jafar, yes, Jafar. I will give you the results on Monday, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, everyone. Inaya, clear everything now? Okay, everyone. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Okay? Allah Hafiz.